Camera call on. Listen, I know there are some people who are laughing and giggling away because of what happened with me right now. But listen, I must make it very clear and frank. I am no Mirabai Chanu. कुछ भी वेट उठा लूँ, ओके? आई एम आर्घा भट्टाचार्य और बाथरूम का बाल्टी भी उठाना मेरे लिए एक डिफिकल्ट जॉब है, ओके? बट जोक्स अपार्ट, इंडिया हैज़ begun on the emphatic note. Olympic Games have begun and been the first time that India has won a medal on the very first day of the competition thanks to Mirabai Chanu. For some hours India were joint second in the medal tally, and as I am speaking they are in the top 10 of the medal tally. That will change. One of my friends joked and said Olympics बंद करो यार, टेबल में हम लोग तो है ही top 10 में. But now my pun games will begin after the Olympic Games. Listen carefully. Mirabai Chanu lifts the weight of an entire nation, the nation which usually wakes up to these kind of games and sports disciplines every 4 years. क्योंकि हम लोग तो ज़्यादा क्रिकेट और यूरोपियन फुटबॉल में व्यस्त रहते हैं. एंड आई विल से सॉरी माई सेल्फ बिकॉज हैव आई रेगुलरली फॉलोड the Olympic sports which India are playing? No. So I'll not embarrass myself anymore. I'll try to salvage the situation and do a deep dive into the matter. See, the records everybody know. I'll come to the story behind this win, and that's why you need to subscribe to Sports Addiction. We tell you the story. She is the India's 16th individual medalist of independent India. She is the 5th individual to win silver, and after 21 years she has won a medal for India in weightlifting after Kanna Maleshwari had won it in 2000. But the way she won the medal determines how favorite she was in the competition and how good was the effort. And this will stand the test of time, the way she won the medal. See, in this Olympics she was one of the favorites to win a medal. That was no doubt, because after her debacle in the 2016 Rio Olympics, she was very much back on track with a gold each in 2017 World Championships and 2018 Commonwealth Games. But we have seen in the past that many of the medal hopefuls have faltered on the final day of the day of the judgment day, because at times the blind luck doesn't go your way. At times you fail to perform at your best on that very day, the final day of the competition, or maybe the opposition is at their very best. So at times things don't go your way. But this was an event where Mirabai Chanu, in the first few minutes only, it became clear that Mirabai Chanu was not fighting for bronze. And bronze medal, getting a bronze medal was so difficult. We have seen for Indian athletes, she was fighting for either gold or she would definitely end up with silver. There was no chance of bronze, because I'll tell you, for those who don't know weightlifting, I'll just briefly explain the rules. There are two categories, like two ways to lift weight: snatch and there's clean and jerk. And the best attempts of both these categories are joined, and you get a sum total score, and that's how your medal ranking is announced. So first the snatch event happened, and most of the competitors of Mirabai Chanu were lifting weights around 74 kg, 76, 81, 83 and all that. Mirabai Chanu's first attempt was 84. Okay. And her nearest competitor, who was lower than her, she was Aisha Windy Cantika from Indonesia. She also tried 84, but she failed in the first attempt. When she finally succeeded 84 kgs in the second attempt, Mirabai Chanu had bettered it to 87 kgs. And to be very honest, China's Zhi Hui, who was the gold medalist contender right from the start, was lifting weights far above that. Her first weight was 88, then she bettered it to 91, which was an Olympic record, and then she again bettered it to 94. But Mirabai Chanu's best effort of 87 made in the second attempt made her the second in the list of snatch, because she was 87. Her nearest competitor Aisha Windy Cantika was 84. and in the third attempt she failed to lift 89 kgs. But when the competition moved to clean and jerk, which by the way is where Mirabai Chanu is a specialist, there's a world record in her name where it's 119 kgs, that's 119 kgs. So she was expected to lift a lot of weight, and here also she had a competition with the Chinese, because the Indonesian was lifting 101 in the first attempt, 108 and 110 in 3 attempts. So 110 was her best, Indonesian Aisha Windy Cantica, but Mirabai's first attempt was 110. She rocked it. Chinese Zihui lifted 109 in the first attempt. Mirabai's second attempt was 115. The Chinese Zihui lifted 114. So in this one she was ahead by 1 point. But the third attempt was 116. Mirabai's attempt was 117. She tried out. By that time the gold medal was out of grasp, because remember, by joining the scores of both these categories we get a result. So the Chinese competitor was way ahead, because she was 210 after her third successful attempt in clean and jerk. 116 kgs plus 194, that's 210. And by that time, because she had Mirabai Chanu had lifted 87 in snatch and 115 in the till the second attempt in clean and jerk, that meant that Mirabai Chanu had 202. So she at least needed, for a gold medal, to win a gold medal, she needed to lift a lot, like more 110. She needed to lift more than 120, which was a little bit way off target, but she knew that also. So that's why she attempted 117. She failed in that, but that gave her a silver medal just like that, because the third competitor, Windy Cantica, ended up with a total score of just 194. Mirabai Chanu 202 kgs. So there was a huge gap. So it was very evident that she would win silver. She did that, and the way she exhibited her joy after that was very, very heartening to see. She was dancing, she was clicking selfies with her coach, and she was so confident. And this is a mighty turnaround, because remember, in 2016 Rio Olympics, in 6 attempts of snatch and clean and jerk combined, she could lift the weight successfully in only 1 attempt, that too in snatch. All other attempts were failed attempts. So this is a mighty turnaround, and we should actually call this a miracle. Maybe Miracle Chanu instead of Mirabai Chanu. And I am a very big fan of one thought of Shah Rukh Khan, that's मेरे को तो कोई स्टेट का नाम सुनाई नहीं देता, दिखाई नहीं देता. I only see India. But I will differ from it. I'll say one statement. Mirabai Chanu made Manipur proud. Why? Because most of the time the people from Northeast are subjected to racism. अरे वो Chinese जा रहा है, चिंकी जा रहा है, क्या चिंकी? Now say that. Don't dare to do that even once in your life. Even it's not about Mirabai Chanu only. Any people from Northeast, they shouldn't be subjected to these kind of things. And that's why I pointed out this Manipur thing over here. And पहले आप सुधर जाओ, उसके बाद मेडल का होप करना, okay? And if you see Mirabai Chanu anywhere in your life, just pay a mark of respect. चलो बहुत ज्ञान हो गया. अच्छा लगे वीडियो तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना, शेयर कर देना. I'll now go and make other videos on Miracle by Chanu. Goodbye.